To protect our Woop, we can use a cold wallet. In this video, I will teach you how to connect your ledger to Metamask. The first thing we must do is an adjustment in the settings within the Ethereum application in our ledger. We enter the Ethereum application in our ledger. We go to Settings. Here it says Not Allowed. We are going to change it by pressing the two buttons at the same time. We have to leave it in Allowed. Once this is done, we click on Back. Now our Ethereum application will be ready and we click on Quit. Once that adjustment is made within our ledger, we open our Metamask. And I am going to enlarge the view. Once the Metamask is open, we click here, and then we click on Connect Physical Wallet. It will ask me which physical wallet I want to connect. In this case, it is the ledger. I will click on Connect. Here I am simply going to open the Ethereum application in the ledger, pressing the two buttons at the same time. And it starts making the connection. Once the connection is made with the ledger, I will indicate which account I want to associate. In this case, I will choose account 2, and I will click on Unlock. Once the connection is made, I already have access to my wallet in my ledger. To change the account, I click on this icon, and I have account 1, and I have account ledger 2, which is the one that we have just connected to our MetaMask. Now we must pass our funds to this wallet that has greater security, as it is a cold wallet. I am going to do an example with BNB. The process is exactly the same for the Woop or any token that we have and want to protect. Doing so is very simple. The only thing to keep in mind is that we must move all the tokens first and leave the BNB last, since the transaction costs are paid with BNB, and if we move our BNB first, we will not have how to pay the transactions of the other tokens. I am going to move the BNB. To do so, I go to the account ledger 2. I copy its address. I see that it ends in 9B88. I go back to the account 1. In this case, I select the BNB and I click on Send. Here I have to paste the wallet to which I want to send it, which will be the account ledger 2. I paste it and confirm that it ends in 9B88. That is correct. I click here on Maximum and I click on Next. And I confirm the transaction. The transaction is pending. The transaction has been made. I am going to switch to the Ledger 2 account. And here I have already received the BNB that I just sent from account 1. I'm going back. Here I see my assets. I see my balance. That is the same as we have here. Why is it safer to have a Ledger wallet? Because in order to send, I need to make a confirmation in the ledger physically. I have to press the two buttons. I am going to show you. I'm going to return this 0.10 BNB to account 1, which is currently at 0 BNB. I'm going to copy the address of account 1. We see that it ends in 1774. Click to copy it. I go back to Ledger 2. I click on Send. I paste the wallet that I just copied from account 1. I verify that it ends in 1774, that's right. I click on Maximum, then Next, and Confirm. This step is new compared to account 1, as here it requires me to do a physical confirmation on the ledger. Here we can see it. Here we can review the transaction by pressing this button. I see the amount to send. Here it tells me that it is Ethereum, but we actually know that it is BNB because we are on the Binance Smart Chain network. I see the address to which I am going to send. I can confirm that it ends in 1774. It tells me the commission, and I have to click on Accept and Send. And by pressing the two buttons, I have accepted the transaction. We can see that in Ledger 2, we no longer have any BNB. And if we go to account 1, we can see that we have received the BNB. This is how we connect our ledger to Metamask to have one more step of security. We have seen that to send, we need to physically confirm with our ledger, pressing the two buttons to confirm the transactions. Let's remember that to see our Woop in the Ledger wallet, we must add the Woop. We have already seen how to do this. We copy the contract that you will have below in the description of this video and paste it here. We click Next and Add Token. We go back and we will have the Woop here. Once we have finished using Metamask, remember that we must close session.